how to set the lock screen to display analog or digital clock style on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, tap on the lock screen panel. Then tap on the clock widget. Next, tap on Style. Then swipe across and choose an analog clock or a digital clock. So choose a clock of your choice. If you would like to use an analog clock, then select an analog clock. You can resize the clock to make it larger or smaller by dragging on one of the handles. Here you can also choose to show weather information on your clock as well, or you can hide it. And then tap on Done, and then tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.